So I'm back at it again. I haven't been down here in a minute. Because I've just been working. 2 Sundays ago, the store got painted, so it gets a second coat this Sunday. But I'm about to put up my sliding door for my dressing room. So it can go ahead and be complete, and I can go ahead and move on to something else. I got my regular door to go to my office to put up. I'm gonna put my put my ceiling tile up this morning. I didn't work last night, which is a good thing. But this grand opening, April 1st. I was shooting for March 1st, but I'm not gonna be ready before March 1st. So my grand opening is gonna be the first week of April. And it's coming by so fast. It's going by so fast, y'all. So that's what I'm down here doing right now, is trying to put this on. Lord knows, I hope I have all the pieces. 1, 2. Stay tuned, y'all, because this is going to be a whole process. This is going to take me about an hour, I'm sure. But I'm about to try to put this up. All right,